Hey fellow Dota 2 fanatics, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to talk about magical damage in Dota 2 and how it works. In Dota 2, magical damage is another type of damage that are dealt by abilities or spells or items like Dagon that is mitigated by target's magic resistance. Let's use Lina as an example. Lina, the fiery mage, deals magic damage primarily through her abilities. Her Q ability, Dragon Slave, sends out a wave of fire that damages enemy in a line. The damage it deals is magical, meaning it's reduced by the magic resistance of the target. For example, if Lina uses Dragon Slave against an enemy with 25% magic resistance and it deals 300 magical damage, the actual damage inflicted would be reduced to 225 due to the magic resistance on enemy. Items like Kaya or Veil of Discord can amplify magical damage dealt to enemies, making the hero's spell even more potent. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!